You is a witch. You is a wicked witch. And it a show in you. You come like the white witch of Rosal. You can't trick me. But me attack from now because me no want when you do song and me answer it, nobody open up their mouth and tell me say me love problem.
Dancehall recording artist Spice finally responded to Lady Saw after Lady Saw made some comments about her and the way she's carried on within the local music space. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. So coming up on the Scoop for today, it has been a fire week between Spice and Lady Saw, Shenseea, Macka Diamond, and a number of other local acts within the local music space after there have been a show of words against some female within the local music space. But all I can say, it doesn't look good for our local music, and when we see the envy that is going on within the local music space as it relates to female against each other, it's not a good look. So Spice took to her Instagram live, and I can tell you the live had over 34,000 people watching, and Spice went into some real chilling details and shared some real information that the fans were not aware of, and actually sought to clear the air in relation to a number of speculation that has been going on online. And since Lady Saw did her video, I can tell you it has just been a show of words both in written form and orally that is going on online. So Spice took to her social media platform last night in order just to clear the air in relation to what has been said about her from the former queen of the dancehall, Lady Saw, and I can tell you that she went into some real chilling details which we're about to share with you. So without no delay, let's go over to that right now, and then I'll come back at the end of the video and give my piece in relation to the whole entire situation. So let's go over to that right now, right here on Links 007 TV. Might I warn you that this is a sort of explicit clips, and during the intervals of this video there might be certain language that is used, so parental discretion is strongly advised. We'll go over to that video right now from Links 007 TV.
Spice I get hot them time the Altifa did that do her thing. Me no forget one time, you know, Altifa if Tifa ever start our story about this woman. Dog nyam on a supper. 2014 when me get something like it. And she see within herself say, somebody else a go come up. She never really ready. She never really ready. She never really ready. If you go in a church. That's why no fauno can look on her and see it in her. Say, I dance all your heart still there. Because I don't understand, you know. Oh, you is a big minister. Make we talk about it. Make we sit down and talk about it. Oh, you know what me do my body? Oh, you know what me do my body? Oh, you know me go to New York what day and bring mattress on stage. Oh, you know? I saw you sit down and watch me. I saw you sit down as a minister and I watch me. I say you sit down and watch me. Oh, you feel open your mouth and discriminate a genre we have done so much for you. Oh, you feel open your mouth and discriminate women. When you should have empower and bring you up. If you was real and natural and pure, you'd have come out and you'd have say, Spice, Jada, Shenseea, I was there. As a matter of fact, your dirty mouth put you go to prison. You make you know you set your dirty mouth for say Shane, me want to do a song with you, you dirty blood clot, yo. You never know say God no play. I got this, I make you attack, you know. Why you never come out, come say you want to do a song with all of the woman them and with you unite? You dirty. Hey, you is a witch. You is a wicked, demonic witch. And it a show in you. You come like the white witch of Rosal. You can't trick me. But me attack from now because me no want when you do song and me answer it, nobody open up their mouth and tell me say me love problem. If you say yes, I me feel like the S match for spice. If you say the blue, I me feel like the blue, the B after the word blue match for me blue ear. I'm going to answer and this you up. Because me never trouble you. You're in your church, you figure work for Christ. How much soul you save from your baptized? We could talk about it. All the things me have to talk, and me will talk in a jumble, but me will come back round to it and talk. How much soul you save? Me say from you go to church, how much soul you save? Because all of my Christian life, when me know people get baptized for save soul. How much soul you save? Wanna type it if you don't know. You no save no blood clot soul. You no save no soul. You no see you go in a church and them run you out of church. The pastor see the demon in a you and say, get behind me, Satan, and run you out. You is a serpent. You is a Jezebel. Your heart black. Your heart dirty. You're wicked and you're evil. The first 8 when we get in a dance hall is you show me 8. 1999, they could talk about it. I want to say if you talk, me I go talk. $19.99. Bounty killer. Because you say you give me advice. You say, when me a sing, because me just remember the pieces them. When me a sing one way. A tick-a-tick-a-tack. I be a fuckery I sing in a church. I sing one gospel song when me hear nobody a sing. Nobody not sing your song them, your gospel song them. A promotion you look for the album. Where I come? A dancer you want to promote the album, but you still a bash dancer. You, hey, which gospel song? Make I take a deep breath. Because I me say my favorite genre is gospel. Which gospel song this woman sing we wanna know? Wanna type it? You know sing no gospel song for somebody in a dancer. Say, Jesus Christ, me go baptize. Listen to Lady Song. Listen to Marianne. Every gospel song, if me ever downstairs pa me fridge, I play gospel. Sunday morning and I keep service. And YouTube I skip through the gospel music. Them and your voice ever come on. Me have to skip it. Me have to skip it. Because you can't hear the terribleness in your voice. You no sound no different. You no convert. You never really want to go in a church. You still have the same jealous, dirty, bad mind ways in you. When Kevin Downswell, come on. When Kevin Downswell, come on. Hey, may I tell you, anywhere you're there, and you hear Kevin Downswell, come on. You can't hear the joy in the man's voice. You can't hear the beauty. You can't hear the spiritualness in a Kevin Downswell voice. Anyone ever play a song from Kevin Downswell? Almighty God, come on, man. Make a preach in your phone now. When Kevin Downswell come on and you hear, how the song go? If it's not, if it's not you, it's nothing at all. If it's not you, Jesus Christ, I'm God of the night. You sing no good gospel song when nobody can sing. You convert nobody. You save no soul for Jesus. You come and worry about dancehall business. Dancehall will do so much for you. Me can't sing none of your song them. Because me hear it in your, the heaviness in your heart transferring to your voice. So you are worried about my song them when me are singing a dance hall. Go worry about yourself. Go worry about yourself. You talk about Shensi, you are a writer, you are one gospel writer. Dirty woman. You want one gospel writer. You need to go find Kevin's daughter. You look for Ramesh. You call Ramesh already. And Ramesh, you call John. I tell John to build rhythm. John said, nope. I don't want no parts in this. You dirty blood clot, you. You look for Ramesh. I talk about you wash. Somebody back you look for ride off pan. Go look for Kevin Downswell. Go from there and move. Go look for Tasha Cobbs. I make them write gospel song give. And Tasha Cobbs come in and say, break every chain, break every chain. Bamba, and God organize, dirty witch. You sing no gospel song around here when nobody want to sing. You come talk about you look for people and people want a writer. You want a gospel writer, go look for Tasha Cobbs. Go look for Kevin Downswell. And go from there. Ask them who write them song for them. Ask them who write them song for them. Talk. But we go down in a pieces. What Richie feelings them? If Richie have to give me the things them. What she do in a pieces. Me have to remember the things them. You come talk about people are dressed a certain way. And how we gonna carry our body a certain way. When you did carry your body a certain way. And you did make your money a certain way. You don't remember that certain way? Huh? Ladies, sir, I don't know you need to hear this, but somebody need to tell you the truth. You're too bad mind. You're full of envy. You're full of jealousy and you're full of hate. You need to repent. You need to find the lady them who wear white. You know them lady they wear no sex at church? The lady them wear, when we go up power faith, them sit down at the front row and them have on the white dress. Because them have to risk them not like them husband might not be here with us anymore. God bless them soul. Or you know them woman there where them say them can't take no man not like you. We still a take big good. I must say John big good and mad you. You better come back in a dance hall and make me your dick. Make a done you up and diss you because you think you hold me down and care. Hey, you left some people to hate me in a dance hall. And know that it no work out. You're still in a church miserable. You talk about, you know, them a run me out of dance hall. I'm going to left it give them. Because you want people to turn for me. And when me focus and God bless me, you have a problem with it. You still have a problem with it. It's a big good you want. Me know you. You love Hood. You love Hood. Come back for John. Me here say married one white man. Me know you're miserable. It's not that you want. It's not that. You don't happy. Stop fooling yourself. Let me go down in it. You is the slackest female dancehall I've ever seen in history. Anybody who want to play hypocrite with you can go and play hypocrite with you. Me not play no hypocrite with you. Because the grace is then where you used to hold down and the grace is then where you used to bad mind is not that Gracie again. It's not the little girl where you used to use. You and your sister and send me go do how much show. It's not that Gracie. So when you did a left and I talk about, me a left it give them. Like say somebody did do you something. All because you see somebody else a flourish. Is that make you go baptize, go talk about your baptize. You're never really ready. And I want to repeat it if you never hear it again. You're never really ready because it's showing at you. Remember me see you at airport, you know. Remember me see you out at airport. Me do like me not see you. And when me a pass you, hear you up under your throat. Hi, Grace. Me say me not even did see the little serpent, wicked witch. Hear her now? Because she want act like say she godly, you know. But at this me want to tell about you. If you remember, say I one God over way than a 10. Hear her now when me see her at the airport, up on her throat. Hi, Grace. Me just walk past her dirty blood clot and don't answer her because I one thing with me. Me not play no hypocrite with nobody. If me heart no give me fi say it and fi answer you, me not answer you and play no hypocrite. I take past her, I don't say nothing. See me, I walk past her, I don't even answer. When you did a fight against me, years back when the argument just a bust out and me tell Pampote say, me not chat to that woman there again. Because remember say you come friend me if you hold me down, you know. Me not ready, me not reach, go back in the 99 yet, you know. Me a talking at stages. When me there airport, and me and Pampote, I go one show, me no remember where we are go. And you never come in, Grace, let me talk to you. Me say, move your dirty blood clot. And me never stop to talk to you. Pampote member, she member. And me say, Pampote, me no want no friend from that woman, yeah. That woman, yeah, want wicked. And Pampote couldn't believe how you walk back at me. I try talk to me, I talk big friend. And God tell me, say, see that woman, you stay far from her. Remember, me never trouble you, you know. Remember, me never trouble you. Remember, say, me never trouble you. Bestie, remember me there, me yard, me there, me work, me there, when two pick them. Me not trouble no one. And anytime me come on live or anytime me come talk about nobody, I know me trouble them. Me come answer. Because that is who me is. So if that's my weakness, I will always use it to my weakness. All when me owl. All when me owl and shrivel up, I will call me name and me I go come and a coach stick come say, allow na blood clot tell until the death of me. Me I come talk, allow na tell pa me go from there. Me don't trouble people. Me want it to be known. Nobody no come tell me say, me big and me this and me that. Every time me come talk about people, it's them trouble me. I answer. Wicked demon lady, sir. Me I go tell you where you eat me. Or eating start again. Me I go down in night. Because, hold on. Me just me remember everything I mix up. Me remember this. Hold on. Me never want to talk about this. Let me go up on YouTube. Hold on. Me can't go up on YouTube. Me can't show a video. Meanwhile, me dep on this. Hold on. This video when me I go bring up. I forgot to take it off of this. I never want to call out a lady. My battery dead. I wonder if I plug in this if the sound I go away. You can't hear me? Tell me if you can't hear me. Let me talk about what really pushed this woman over the fence. If you tell me the truth. Now, I want it to also be very clear. Me and this woman was friends for 10 years. I gave her my all. She have a sister with them call name sister. Anybody who know dancer know sister with them call name sister. She was a promoter. She keep show right round Jamaica. Every parish in Jamaica, the 14 parish. Sister keep a show. She can't say I like her. The flies them they all about me can go dig up me. Girl, and she put me on every show. All when ladies want to go up on the show, sister put me on the show and she walk me for free. Yeah, ladies are come talk about. You used to live at me house, dirty bitch. Remember it's me say, from homeless to greatness. Wicked woman. When me did a rent house, me sorry, me attack all over the room downstairs. Cause remember your house the big and empty cause you couldn't furnish it. You have one big empty house up on the hill there and be a dog. So everybody know how it's there. Me never discriminate neither, you know, because me hear you talk all kind of things. Me gonna allow you for you go on the discrimination. Me tell myself and me pray before me come on the live. Only thing me gonna do a talk truth. So me not come here for discriminate or discriminate. Me come here for talk truth and make my fans them have a knowledge of the hatred where you have for me. That's all me come on the live have to do. So me never go down in the state of your place, or me not go down in the so me go down in the pathway every time you, and when you come out, when something like it have a couple of millions of views them, and the bad mind stuff in you, and me post the little video after me get to one look eat cause me did hungry. Oh long and now make no money, and me post and say something like it have how much views. You go up on your hill and you talk about this is views. This is views, and you chuck off in your pool, and you throw word and tell me say me I live in a rent house. I buy houses now. I have news to tell you. I'm not homeless again. Me not homeless again. I say from homeless to greatness. I'm not homeless again. So how you feel? Make we talk about it. Because every minute you come reminds. I have houses. And thanks be to God. Me not have to bounce about again. Amen to God. Let me tell you something. He's a Christian woman and you claim he's a woman of God. There is not 10 God over our head. There is one God. I cry out to God. And I say, God, fight against those who fight against me. And you come and want to fight against me. And I tell God to fight against those who fight against me. Work it out and tell me how it go. When I go down on my knees and I fast and pray and I say, Father God, the battle is not mine. Take the case. Who are you fighting against? Because it's not me. It's out of my hands. I tell God to take it. You know nothing about Christianity. You know anything about God? You don't know, you don't understand, else you wouldn't have such a bitter heart. You don't understand. The same God that you pray to is the same God I am praying to, my dear. There's only one God, and there's one judgment. So when I tell God to take my battles, when I tell God to fight for me, and you come and take and I try for you, the Almighty, because I place it in his hands. You think say you hate me, no lady, sir. You don't hate me. You know when you're gonna hate me? When I decide that is my turn to turn my life to God. That is when you're gonna really and truly hate me. Because me no hear you make up no nice for God, you know. Me no hear you make up no nice for God, you know. I mean, no say when me baptize is a different kettle of fish, you know. Because me a come for win soul, and me a come for chant, and me a come for speak, and my people, them have to go repent, and them have to go come with me. If everybody now come, some have to go come because me have to go visit, and me have to walk the face of this earth and preach and spread the gospel. Me no see I do not know like that. It's that time you go hate me. It's not now. You don't hate me yet. They can hate me now. You don't hate me yet. It's that time you go hate me when time you're ready to go in a church. If you think you hate me now when me in a dance hall, at that time you're going to hate me. When I show you how to worship God. When I show you how to sing song for God. When I show you how to speak to people. When I show you what a real Christian should look like. Or when I show you what it should be. At that time you go hate me. You think you hate me yet? Because I go down tonight because I don't come here to stay too long. We don't know. Missy Elliott, I love you. And I don't want to drag you into this because from the day I went to your birthday party, you never stop invited me to all of your birthday parties after that year. I am proud to say that I am one of the persons or the only persons who has been to Missy Elliott's birthday party every single year I get an invitation, and I apologize in advance that I had to even call your name, because you are such a beautiful, humble soul. But let me go down in it again. In 2015, this is because I got invited. Before I got invited to the party, I had a song when named Fun. I don't know who want to follow up my career. I had a song when named Fun. And I had a friend named Stacy, and she knew Mona Scott. And me I go look for the song on YouTube now. Hold on. Fun. Spice. Alright, see it here. Song that even they get for clear. See this song, yeah? The reason why I'm wanting to listen to this song is because apparently Lady Saw had sent a song to Missy Elliott to get a verse. And I feel like Missy told her that she recorded the verse. But I don't know what was going on with the clearance. I was very young at the time. Me never big. Like she said, me did homeless. Me catch her yard and she taught the things them, and yes. Me take me look at time I do me thing. Me no know why she never get the song from Missy Elliott. I did the song Fun without Missy Elliott on it. And because my friend know Mona, them send the song to Missy. When Missy Elliott heard the song, she jumped on the verse. She put a verse on the song. And so good, you're going to hear how Missy call my name in the song. So it's absolutely no way I could have thief a song from Missy Elliott. She called my name. This was a lyrics she spit specifically for me. So if you go back and listen to it, name Fun, you hear Missy Elliott. Listen here if it's true. The woman hate me from Yasso. Had sent a song to Missy Elliott to get a verse. And I feel like Missy told her that she recorded the verse. But I don't know what was going on with the clearance. I was very young at the time. Me never big. Like she said, me did homeless. Me catch her yard and she taught the things them, and yes. Me take me look at time I do me thing. Me no know why she never get the song from Missy Elliott. I did the song Fun without Missy Elliott on it. And because my friend know Mona, them send the song to Missy. When Missy Elliott heard the song, she jumped on the verse. She put a verse on the song. And so good, you're going to hear how Missy call my name in the song. So it's absolutely no way I could have thief a song from Missy Elliott. She called my name. This was a lyrics she spit specifically for me. So if you go back and listen to it name Fun, you hear Missy Elliott. Listen here if it's true. The woman hate me from Yasso. party. Spice, Trina, Missy, Elliott, birthday. YouTube, me dep on YouTube. You go search it for yourself. See video, yeah. After she do the video with me, Missy Elliott invited me to her birthday party. Big up Stacey Chung. So I come like you make them eat me. So I went to Missy Elliott birthday party. King Mix Up, make sure say when you post my video, you talk it through them when me talk, you know. Say somebody just tag say King Mix Up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King Mix Up. Make sure King Mix Up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No adding no sugar, no adding no salt. Anyway, long story short, I went to Missy party. And, you know, me had the Uncle Jamaican in the party. Trina was on the mic. And them a play Missy Elliott song. Hello! And a lot of people came up on the rhythm and was freestyling. Because it's Missy birthday, Missy in the party, Timbaland there. You know, it's a vibe. Trina go call up me now up on the rhythm. And me go up and this is how it went. Listen. So if you couldn't hear properly in the lyrics when I was freestyling, I came on stage. Remember, it's a freestyle on the spot at the moment, nothing planned. I said, Spicer, oigo, Spicer put it down. No, I mean, not come around. Me have to listen it back again, because this is a long time. Because remember me say me are the baddest girl out of Jamaica anybody ever see around, and that makes you vex. So, listen. I want to hear the problem. This was 8 years ago. I don't know when I'm going to fuck myself. Out of Jamaica. So I go, Spicer put it down. Me are the baddest girl. Out of Jamaica, anybody ever see around. So listen to me now. Me know me fuck around. Me know if you wanna box me pussy on the fucking ground. Hello! Me a freestyle, not the way me write. It seems to me at the time when I said that she was offended. Now split justice, you know. Me no want nobody pick up for me. She was my friend at the time. Like I said, she was my friend of 10 years. I gave her my all. Things she never spoke about. I never hear she talk any good about me. Everything she talk about me always negative and always bad. But it's okay. And we now go down in the history of that friendship. Because me hear when friends split apart and you do this and me do that. I've done a lot. Because when John used to fuck pan you and have 7 baby mother and you stress out and mad, it was my problem. Everything you went through in your relationship was all me. All my problem. It was on my shoulder. But like I said, I want to keep focus on what we're really talking about. I go up on stage, me do freestyle at Missy Elliott party, and true me go say, me are the baddest girl ever come around. No. It was a problem for her, because she probably heard it after. Spice there, Missy party, Spice freestyle and said this. Come to me as your friend and say, Gracie, you know, you go to Missy party and me I watch the video and you say you're the baddest girl out of Jamaica and me feel away. We're friends. Say it to me. It's okay. Freestyle is not something planned. Freestyle is not something that people are going crazy over nowadays, where people write stuff and they study it and then come flow it on Instagram and y'all go crazy. That's not the freestyle I know, or that's not how I grow. So it's okay. You could have come to me as a friend and say, you know, me did feel a little way. Because if you talk truth, you know, remember, me no perfect, you know, remember, me no God, you know. Remember, somewhere along the line, maybe I was wrong, or maybe I did something I don't know. But at that time, when I went to that party and said that, that's where our friendship came apart. Because in a fear edge, she feels, say, me did I go boss, or me did I go be the biggest thing, or she just feel away. It's okay to say you feel away, you feel away. But I swear to you, and I swear on everything I have, I never plan. I'm just a freestyle. Me go represent Jamaica, and me just a freestyle. When the woman see it, hey, mighty God of Daniel, Jesus come here. How long me depend this alive? You come if you come off long time. When the woman see me go Missy Elliott party and me go freestyle and say, me a the baddest girl ever come around, she stopped talking to me. She stopped talking to me. She stopped talking to me. Hello! Yo, we don't like talk to you, because you take everything for joke. The woman stop talk to me. The woman stop vex. The woman dry up. The woman swear say me da go bust. The woman think say me da go run away. The woman swear say me da go be the biggest thing. The woman dry up in her heart. The woman feel a way. The woman come like she da go dead. And I never know say that trouble the woman's soul. I never know. I never have no. Bestie, I tell you the truth. I never know say the woman have me up. Me I go tell you how me find out say the woman have me up. Me then I'm in house one night. And me I watch TV. And on stage, come on. And on stage, I like me I tell pani woman. I never on stage. May I try remember if I never on stage. I never on stage. A TVJ. TVJ, the other interview. It was ER. I never on stage. A entertainment report. Come on. See the people them know, man. See the blood clad people them member, man. Look at God. What Jesus over here, so? ER. Me never remember. Me no know nothing now. ER me I watch. With Anthony Miller. And me hear Anthony. There is a recorded thing in the Star where Lady Saw say, I am the next queen of the dancehall. Because no found to talk about say, a Spice crown herself. But you don't know why problem. She was happy for me to be the queen of dancehall. She was happy for me to be the next queen of the dancehall after her. But she never want me get too big. She never knows me that go get so big. She think me that go stay small for the rest of my life and catch up her yard. And that's the problem. You ever hear them say, your friend wants to see you do good but never better than them? You ever hear that saying there? I say it go. So all along, the lady I say me bad. You can't go on YouTube go look pan show. Me and her work a show. If me ever go the show go work better than her, dog, me miss up at the next morning. Me have to perform light. Me have to perform very light.
Well, there you have it. That was dancehall entertainer Spice providing her fans with an update as it relates to the current beef between herself and fellow music pioneer, I would say, Lady Saw. As I can say, I don't really have much to say about the whole entire situation. All I can say is that Spice is a real talented musical figure within our local and international music space as well. And she has spread our music of dancehall to the world, and she's a real dominant figure of the music. She is the queen indeed, and I can tell her that. And many fans right now have took to social media just in order to give their views and opinion in relation to what has been said in this video. I'm not sure whether Lady Saw will respond to this video, or this video will send Lady Saw into hiding after some real information was actually revealed by Spice. But we'll just wait and see how this one pan out. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out, and just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Alright, have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.